Welcome to Inspiring English Academies, leading YouTube channel. Learn English with Shani Nath. We have more than 700 videos for you to improve your English, so subscribe and share our channel videos, and don't forget to comment after finishing this video. Let's practice words in English course. Our today's topic is useful words for kitchen. Just repeat after me. Where's the teapot? I would like to have a cup of tea. Is that your dish? Where is the knife? Are the chopsticks in the kitchen? I would like to drink a glass of water. Where is the saucer, please? Could you please give me a bowl of a pea? Where is the fork? Would you bring the spoon from the kitchen? Is there gas in the cylinder? Did you rinse off your hands after your meals? Who cooked the dinner today? Do you know how to make pizza? How does that food taste? Did you pour the water? Why did you add the salt to the curry? What are you frying here? Did you roast the popped for the dinner? Do you know how to make the sambar? What ingredients do you need to make tea? What's near the stove? What is in the freezer? What is on the counter? So friends, listen to this video more than 10 times and grow your English vocabulary. Our mobile application link is given in the subscription. Install it and get free videos, PDF notes. Have a happy learning with us.